Hi everybody! After buying the Audi A6, I have already replaced practically everything in its front suspension – levers, shock absorbers and springs. The only part to be replaced are the sway bar bushings, so about a year ago I bought new parts from Limforder. During operation, the sway bar bushings gradually wear out, after which a backlash occurs. It results to the malfunction of the entire mechanism and increases the free play of the part. It's easy to check the bushings for wear out. Just come to the inspection hall, then take the sway bar itself with hands and shake it up and down. If you hear a knocking noise, it means that there is backlash and the bushings must be replaced. You can also detect the backlash by shaking the sway bar left and right. You should also know that even new bushings can make a squeak. In my car, the bushings have not been replaced for more than 8 years, but during the checking I couldn't find any backlash. However, I decided to replace them anyway, because the new parts were previously bad. First of all, let's clean the 3D connections and spray them with WD-40. After that, using head 13, unscrew the nuts securing the bushing brackets and smoothly move the sway bar bushings down. Let's remove the brackets and now we can see the rubber bushings. Although the bushings are very old, they look not bad. There are a few cracks, but the rubber itself is in normal conditions and soft. For replacing, we are preparing the new set. I noticed that the old bushings had stretched out a little or they were a couple of millimeters bigger than the ones I bought. Although the part numbers are the same. Let's also take the dirt and rust from the bushings. Now insert the bushing into the bracket and put it on the sway bar. At the end, we strengthen the nuts with force 25 Nm. As you can see, it's quite easy to replace sway bar bushings. That for now. See you in the next video.